how to create a personal development plan that works. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kirti Maholkar, and today we're diving into something super important for both beginners and mid-career professionals. How to create a personal development plan that actually works. Whether you're just starting your career or you're well into your professional journey, having a personal development plan is a game changer. It's like having a roadmap to guide you through your career, and it helps you avoid those moments of feeling stuck or unsure about your next move. So if you're ready to take your personal growth and career to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why having a personal development plan is essential. For beginners, maybe you're fresh out of school or you're just starting in a new job, a PDP is like your GPS for growth. It helps you figure out what skills you need, what relationships to build, and how to navigate your career path with purpose. And for mid-career professionals, this is where it gets really exciting. Your personal development plan is your way of reassessing where you are and where you want to go next. Maybe you're thinking about a career change, leveling up into a leadership role, or even finding more meaning and satisfaction in your work. The truth is, a personal development plan isn't just about career goals. It's about aligning your work with what matters to you and making sure you're on a path to a fulfilling life. Step 1 is all about self-assessment. You can't plan for your future if you don't know where you're starting. And I know this sounds a bit basic, but trust me, it's essential. So if you're just starting your career, here's what I want you to ask yourself. What am I passionate about? What skills do I enjoy using the most? What are my strengths and weaknesses? For those of you in the mid-career stage, it's time to dig a little deeper. What's been working well for you in your current role? What skills do you need to work on to get to that next level? What new challenges excite you, and where do you feel stuck? If you haven't already, I highly recommend taking a personality or strengths-based assessment. Tools like Gallup's Clifton Strengths or even the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator can give you a clearer picture of your natural talents and preferences. These insights are like a cheat code for understanding how you work best. Take a moment to reflect on these questions. This is your foundation. Knowing where you are today is key to creating a roadmap for where you want to go. Now let's talk about setting SMART goals. You've probably heard about them, but if not, don't worry. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and here's the thing. Goals are the backbone of your personal development plan. Without clear goals, you're just drifting. So let's break it down. If you're just starting out, your goal might look something like this. Complete a course in burnout prevention by the end of the next 3 months. Attend at least 5 networking events or workshops by the end of the year. Land a role or project that aligns with your passion within the next 6 months. For mid-career professionals, your goals are likely more strategic and long-term. For example, develop leadership skills by taking a management training program within 6 months. Apply for a leadership role or promotion within the next year. Transition into a new field or industry by 2026 by building a new set of skills. The key here is to make your goals SMART. Specific and measurable goals are much more motivating because you can track progress and celebrate milestones along the way. Okay, now that you have your goals, we need to create an action plan. A plan is just a list of specific actions that will move you toward your goal. It's like breaking down your big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Start by asking, what skills or resources do I need to accomplish this goal? What's the first small step I can take today? For example, if your goal is to transition into a new field, your action plan might look like this. Step 1. Research online courses or certifications that will help you make the transition within the next 2 weeks. Step 2. Connect with 3 people in the industry you want to move into within the next month. Step 3. Apply for at least 3 jobs in that new field by the end of the quarter. You can apply this same action plan strategy whether you're looking to get a promotion, develop a new skill, or grow your professional network. Here's the deal. Creating a personal development plan isn't a one-and-done situation. You need to regularly monitor and review your progress to make sure you're on track. So, everyone, 2 months, set aside time to review your goals and action steps. Ask yourself, what progress have I made? What challenges or roadblocks have I encountered? What can I adjust or change in my plan to stay on course? Remember, your personal development plan is a living document. If something isn't working, adjust it. That's the beauty of this process. It's flexible. All right, to recap. Start with self-assessment, know where you are. Set smart goals that are specific and measurable. Create a clear action plan with small, actionable steps. Review your progress regularly and adjust as needed. Whether you're a beginner or a mid-career professional, a personal development plan helps you stay focused, organized, and motivated. It's the key to making sure you're not just working hard, but working toward the right things. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments, what's one goal you're working on right now? I'd love to hear how you're applying these steps to your own journey. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications because we've got more content coming your way to help you grow and succeed. Thanks for watching, and remember, your personal growth is in your hands, so take the first step today. See you in the next video.